It's not going at all.
Oh.
Let me shut some of this down.
Okay.
I haven't even taken it yet either.
Okay. I took it once and I didn't do great. I missed 5 of them. So there were some things I wasn't understanding real great on it, but
All right, let's see if it pulled up now. There we go.
the prep assignment was pretty simple. It's just making the charts for the first couple things and then finding out. The last one was finding out the mean and the standard deviation z-score in the area, but it was mainly just on the charts. So
Okay. Well, I got a textbook. All right. Is there a data sheet for this stuff, or do they just want us to do it in Excel?
I think just Excel. It talked about when you make the charts, it explains how to make them through Excel. And then I found that the problems, it was just kind of using some of the formulas that they talked about in the readings. There wasn't really using any of the Excel things that we were using the last couple weeks.
Okay. Class ranks. Open the class survey using create a pie chart for class rank posted here. Okay, where are the FR and SOJR? Where are those?
See, and that's, I guess I kind of had a hard time there because I did how it explained, you know, because we're doing the class ranks, and so it would be like junior, senior, freshman. And so I did how it explained, but I don't see where it has the numbers next to the rankings. You're supposed to highlight the categorical column and the count column, but I didn't see any count column there.
Oh, I need to open this up. Oh, that's why. Middle class survey. All right, so let's see. What did they want to know? That's why that out of the way. Create a pie chart for class rank. As far as rank for what?
That's I'm thinking it's like what grade they're in is what I'm guessing for the class rank. That's the only thing I saw was for that.
What's it rank for? Credit?
I know. It didn't make much sense to me, but
Let me try something here. Yeah, that didn't come out at all.
yeah, mine just listed out a whole bunch of the letters. It didn't make a pie chart at all. So,
All right, so let's try to filter that. Yeah, there's got to be something else. What does it want it ranked by? All right. And is the highest number. So what are we looking at? Can't be credits. Let's try that. Nope. It's not coming up with a bar chart either.
No, I couldn't get it to do. I mean, I messed around with making charts, so I understood how to do it, but I couldn't get it to do on this particular one.
Right. And how to make charts.
Yeah.
It's just what there's got to be some other data
Yeah.
that has as their grade.
Yeah, because if you go by what the reading said, we need also a count column, but there's not. So I don't.
Oh, you just completely cut out.
Oh, am I back?
Now you're back.
Okay. I was going to say, if we go by the reading, we need a count column as well besides the categorical column. So that's right. Anyway, I'm glad to see that maybe you aren't understanding. I thought it was just maybe me on those ones, but
Maybe we need to add a count column.
yeah.
Try that. All right, so nope, that's still not doing it. Let me see if all right, that worked as far as
Say what? I'm sorry.
did the lesson in lesson 16. It came up for us. Which one was that? No click query summary. Maybe it's being executed. Class survey.
So did you figure out 6 and 7 how to make either of those work with the information we were given, or can you even get it?
No,
Okay.
because it doesn't say what we're counting.
No.
And I tried credits. Which is right next to it. Column. That didn't work. All right, let's try for 8.
Okay. So, number 8, the different ways that we can describe the data. I took it as from the reading that it would be like we can describe it through a pie chart, bar chart, the Pareto chart, or we can give out statistical numbers, you know, that. Is that how you kind of are taking that question? Is list out the different ways that we can
All right.
show the data?
Well, look at the answer sheet. So your answers could vary. You could use proportions to describe the data in a word, display, or display the frequency table.
Okay.
Freshman count is 8. The P is 0.437. Sophomore, the count is 75. All right, that gives me an idea.
Okay.
So for count, we have to set up other 2. So we're going to have to label the last 2 as then we're going to have to make up 5 count columns.
Okay.
So freshman. More and other. that, that, then if not, so let's lock that cell. And let's the column. And that's let's see what happens. Oh, no. Yes. Okay. So let's try that. Insert a pie chart. Okay, that didn't work. Again. Got it.
You got it?
Got it. Okay, so what I did in Excel was after I took the whole table and highlighted,
Mm-hmm.
then I hit sort filter. I did it. And then I did a sort by rank, and the order was A to Z.
Uh-huh.
So that did everything. I put all the freshmen up top. And S. I put FR. T, I put AR, T1, U1, SO, U1, S, T for other. And then in S2, I didn't state, but if open for 2,
Mm-hmm.
then I hit F4, locked, equals S1. Then I hit 4 twice to lock low. A 1. Quotation shows blank. Parentheses. Give me 1. And I got 1s. So all the way to W2. Then I double for T2, U2, V2, and W2.
Okay.
All column. I went back to control and I highlighted everything to S and hit enter. So it gave me the count of 8. So that gave me a count of 8 freshmen, 59 sophomores.
Okay.
Eight went back to the top.
Okay.
Pie chart and it came up.
Okay. Okay. Thank you for helping me figure that out.
So are you able to do that now?
Yeah. Hey, Sean, how are you?
Good, how are you? Sorry I'm late.
Hey, that's okay.
Cool. Where are you at?
We're still working on the prep homework assignment.
Oh, okay.
We both were having a hard time figuring out how to do the charts with the information they gave us.
Okay. You open it all up.
But now I got it.
Now you got it?
Yeah,
Awesome.
Pete
Yes.
figured it out.
It was just asking to do charts on Excel, yeah?
Yeah,
Okay.
but Pete had to do some different stuff to get, because what we're given in the Excel sheet that we're given, you can't just highlight it and get the charts. So he had to make a count column for each of them.
Oh, okay. Sounds good. Did you almost finish that one? The practice?
Pete just figured out 6 and 7, and we talked a little bit about 8 as well. So
Okay.
so he explained to me how he got the charts.
Mm-hmm.
So if you want Pete to explain again, I'll let him.
That's okay. If I can relook at the video and
Okay.
figure it out. I don't want to hold you guys back.
Okay. So, all right. So thanks again, Pete, for figuring that out. Did Pete's video freeze? It looks like maybe. Oh. Okay. Pete, can you hear us still, or are you? I think his froze. All right. Did you do the prep assignment, Sean? Were you able to do that?
I looked at it,
Okay.
but I just went straight into the quiz when I was working on it yesterday.
Ah, that's cool. How'd the graduation go?
It was good. It was really
Good.
good. Yeah. You got a diploma, so that's good.
That's always good.
Yeah. It was kind of funny. They were saying, before they started reading off the names, they were like, okay, it's kind of a reverent thing. We want you to be quiet. You can yell and scream afterward type thing. But nobody listened. Like, everybody still just cheered for their kid when it went up and stuff. It was kind of funny.
Yeah. That's funny. Okay. So I guess we can move on to number 9, and when Pete's video. Just a sec, I gotta re-invite Pete.
Okay.
Okay. I don't know where he is this week. He's on a family trip of some sort, but
Oh, is he?
video is very choppy.
Pretty bad.
Okay, I just re-invited Pete, so. Okay. Perfect. Yeah. All right. So let's go to number 9. And then we can start on the quiz. Get that in. I think I did it right, but I followed the formulas that it gave in the reading, so hopefully I did it right. But that doesn't mean anything.
That's true.
So 7% is the true unknown percent of the population that do not have traditional phones and instead rely on cell phones. 7% is P. Suppose a random sample of 750 telephone users is obtained. What is the probability that more than 60 phone users, 8%, in the survey use only cell phones? Let me just tell Pete that I did invite him again. And then I will do that. Okay, so the mean and standard deviation of the sampling distribution based on 750 telephone users. I got that the mean is 0.07, and the standard deviation, I got 0.009. So.
Okay. According to the answer key, you're right.
Oh, I didn't even check the answer key.
Okay. No, you're right. Yeah.
Was that right?
Yeah.
Oh, I did something right.
Yeah, that's good. That's good.
Okay. So then the z-score 1.111. Is that what it says on the answer key?
It's got 1.073.
Okay. Well, that I need to redo. Okay. So, and then I did the z-score. I did 0.08 minus 0.07 divided by 0.009, but I guess that's not correct. Okay, I need to look into how to do that. Okay, let me redo Pete again. It didn't work.
Okay.
Sorry, this is a crazy call today.
Yeah, that's okay.
Out of picks. All right, we'll see if that will work. So I wonder what was the real z-score, did it say?
It was 1.073.
1.073. Okay. Z-score. It's the value minus the mean. Maybe I did that wrong. Let me see.
Do you have an Excel sheet for this, or do you just?
No, I just did the formulas, but maybe that's where I did wrong. Let's see. I'm going to try something really quick and see if I go 0.07 divided by 50. 9.3. That doesn't seem right.
Well, how did you get the mean? What was the formula you used?
The mean I just did because it tells us in the reading that the P is the true population, which is the mean of the P hat. So I just took what was the P at 0.07 or 7%, and did that as the mean for P hat. And then for the standard deviation, the formula is the square root of P times 1 minus P divided by N. And then it's the square root of all of that. So that's how I got the standard deviation. And then the z-score is supposed to be value minus the mean divided by standard deviation. And so when I did it, I thought that the value would be 0.08 because we're trying to find the 8%. So I subtracted that from 0.07, but that didn't work. me try this again. And I don't know why it's not working to get Pete back on. Maybe it's something on his end.
Yeah.
Divided by 0.09. Yeah, I got one. I don't know what I did wrong. So then it's going to make the last one wrong too. So
Right. Let me see if I can't open it. One of my other Excel sheets that might be able to help.
okay, let me do it one more time. Okay. Okay, let's see. So, I don't know.
Okay.
Hey, Pete, got you back. So, I don't know. Can you hear us, Pete? We can't hear you. All right. So, I don't know. What do you think, Sean, on that?
I'm trying to see if I have a formula set up already on my Excel sheets.
Okay.
But I don't think so. Is he trying to call you too?
Not yet, no.
Hey, Pete. Can you hear me? Yeah. Okay.
So, Pete, we're on number 9B. I thought I did it right, but I didn't. I got a different answer than what the real answer is. So,
This isn't due until next
till Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Yeah.
Pete called me on audio. I can barely hear him on here. Can't hear him at all. regular column and see.
Okay.
Hey, Sean, are you there?
Yeah, can you hear me? Oh man, I have an echoes now.
Yeah, turn this off and that'll stop that.
There we go. So I'll put you on speakerphone in here, and then you should be able to see if Laura can hear you.
That sounds good.
Yep. Sounds good. Yep.
All right.
Okay. So the standard deviation on number 9, is that what we're...
We got the mean and the standard deviation already. The mean is 0.07 and the standard deviation is 0.009. But I did the z-score wrong. I thought I did it right, but I didn't. So I guess I'm not sure what we would use for the value to subtract from the mean from. Is where I'm. Unless you do. No. I don't know. Well, I'm not sure. Maybe I need to work on this a little more, figure it out. Okay. Hello? Hey.
I didn't know if you could hear me on the computer.
No, I couldn't hear you.
Okay.